Hello and welcome to this very unplanned video. You guys, I just had an epiphany and it's probably so obvious to some of you that you're gonna think I'm silly. But this Roman Schmal palette came with a plastic insert and I always thought it was silly that they came with those things, but it's so obvious to me now. When you take it out and you just mix on the white here, this is part of the palette. This lid doesn't come off, and when you want to go wash it, you have to take this whole thing over to the sink and wash it here, and try not to get water onto your pans, and you're supposed to have colors poured in there too if you want. But anyway, duh, you use that in there, it has a white background behind it, it gets messy, you need to go wash it, you pull that out, you take just this to the sink, wash it. Heck, you could probably put this through the dishwasher if you didn't mind watercolor in your dishwasher. I don't know why you would put this in the dishwasher, but I bet you could. And then you just put it back when you're done. And you don't ever have to take your palette to the sink and risk getting a bunch of water in all of your pans. Am I the only one who just now figured this out? It sure feels like it. Alright guys, well, it is Sunday for me, super early morning. Have a great Sunday, and Monday for those of you that are in other parts of the world. Talk to you later. Bye for now.